ngasi tutorial oina question khara yengsi. This is from example nate exercise koi maning de exercise ki 3.6 tuni. A car moving along a straight highway with speed of 126 km/h is brought to a stop with a distance 200 meter. What is the retardation of the car and how long does it take for the car to stop? Straight highway da car am laktuni car am lae azare car am lae at a speed of 126 km/h lae mana kamai ta we retardation tho en hai retardation hai tardi acceleration akoi yakhalapadu gi opposite to ni is a kind of acceleration speed andaraga mana lepise kaida lepe at a distance of 200 meters ida lepe adu itaragadi mana puthoro haise handara iba retardation do kyano then how long does it take matam kam sange 200 meters is changaga lepasida duka hangbane pyramid si u where ni v jina lep khrabnina 0 meter per second or kilometer per second whatever c meter per second don thokje koi what pada aside lo hotnaba aduga palga yengse so is it ithwa thamge the three equation of motion v equal to u plus at then x equal to ut plus half at squared v square minus u square equal to twice a x. There is the x hagera s hagera I make this in rakani ko koi displacement ge or distance sometimes solution the given u the pyramid or initial velocity thyroid ge 126 km/h havni city 126 into kilometers in meter already in terms of my multiplied by 1000 lani hour height already 60 minutes into 60 my seconds on but kita we are si kakhat nagrani then 6 in a 2 3 2 5 te are 5 te are and then 6 na 21 we are 3 nam we are 7 35 like 35 meter per second tare use v is 0 then what else can be the s x 200 meter layer akoina putho hai is the kind of retardation means a duni a se kya ta hai and time se kya ta hai jine a jana yenga su ai time jana yenga su ai akoi sigi ohum jidagi ni choose tau duise sigi perhaps time jan yenga su yenga jine time jan yenga jine adu itaragadi aham bai sida v khange u khange a khangdri time khangdri khangdaba ni yaure aduna ji sina bya roi next ki sida di x khange u khange time khangdri a khangdri time khangdri simsu yadri adu itardi kaise na batare v khangba then u su khange a je akoi khangdri then x khange a puthok yare time gi mamang da a san puthok asi panya bam leiramnina now equation of motion is sinaraga v square minus u square equal to twice ax v di kya no 0 minus u di kya no 35 square rage equal to twice a khangde x na kya no x ki mohta akoi x gi muhutta goi s hai gimni then s energy s 200 then is the kya dare doi taragadi minus 35 into 35 divided by 2 into 200 5 nakadi 740 si ang basu 7 doi taragadi sitana 8 7 7 is 49 8 2 is 16 dare 6 da meter per second square oi doine sumain ta doini then sida minus sama yauri ko si korba yade si minus ni ta is kaino da maze retardation to ai ni speed se tap thar ai ni si divide to matam da you will get minus 3.06 meter per second square and phangni next akoi kaino phangrab ni na acceleration se or retardation se phangam ni na next ta kaino puthok se time se khwaidagi live da puthok yari se si ahu bagi je oire aduna si pansi we have v equal to u plus 80 v di kya no 0 u sina minus 35 plus e sina kya no minus 3.0 natraga kano de irage 49 by 16 times time ni amase som thang dor e bitaraga di lehawi siango time sida di minus sabisi not kano oibnina oh si plus ni he g plus ni minus tar ku yaroi time da di aduna ke dore si som thang dor matam da minus lak toini 35 laser into 16 by 49 7 ne yare 5 7 doi targadi si 5 into 16 by 7 avni si toraka na nang ta doi si 6 5 33 80 by 7 ni or seconds divide to matam dana 11.43 seconds etani akoi equation of motion sinaraga hot pani ko sigise next amam yengsiango a body starting from rest accelerates uniformly along a straight line uniformly accelerate tawra rest lerm de lingdana lerm de at the rate of 10 meter per second for 5 seconds second manga di second kudingi amam kudingi 10 meter per second square 10 meter per second square se angle it moves for 2 seconds with uniform velocity of 50 meter per second 50 meter per second uniform oina hengatta vida accelerate of the vida second ani this mindset leye then it retards uniformly uniformly retard or a come to rest in 3 seconds draw a velocity time graph ye ohairi of the body and find the total distance traveled by the body velocity time graph is high is ye aga puthok total distance puthok haine velocity time high mina yango spinal layer ani always times in a makhad hen view in terms of second velocity in terms of meter per second na sela se sida high is for guys 5 second 10 meter per second square angle n have ni 1 2 3 4 5 6 this is the 10 20 30 40 50 60 and some lakhal ase 40 20 then kaino makhagi sidana second kya mu yawi khara dum I ase 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 kana 1 2 3 5 6 7 9 10 11 smile है लजे सेजिदा कई हारे 4-5 सेकेंड मा से यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सेलरेट और एन हारे यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सेलरेट और बदी स्ट्रेट लाइन होई दोइने for uniform acceleration de rest dagi ni man hork to isi at the origin ahambagi 1 second sida 10 meter per second hengalak to ni next ki 1 second am sida 10 meter per second am hengalak to ni chap manana hengalak to ni up to sigi magi 50 meter per second sibukta sigina kaino warak matam sida 5 second warak matam sida 10 hengal adi masana 50 de la tabni sibu hengal aduga kidore second ani md up to 7 seconds bukti kidore hare uniform velocity of 50 meter per second satli sigi mapa se 50 meter per second gi mapa yor abni aduna sigi sida minute ani di sumaina uniform one straight salamani dagi di kidore uniformly retards 3 seconds 7 yogre 8 9 10 ohum sida retard toraga maze comes to rest 7 ni adun haibdi amo 10 sitana uniformly straight tang ni khoire straight to edam ni retard tor to ni adu sida legi do ni sima pa sida 7 second ni sigi sina uniform pa du ni uniform retardation uniform acceleration ne apne legi me amse sini velocity time graph ki ek tarage di figure tha biro some velocity time graph tha biro then sigi graph sidagi mano ke hare find the total distance traveled by the body total distance traveled putho hoy akoina hana khangre du di that the area under velocity time graph gives displacement adna si total distance keno sina pi ani si keno area sina displacement hoigera distance hoigera adna si hot patare thon ji o haigera 0 haigera a b c boiren khalone sida lai si trapezium amani or sigi nangna khangdragana triangle ani plus one rectangle loina hot asu yani ada koi di trapezium gi tauksi area of this trapezium o a b c je sidi kai tare the half of its height into sum of parallel sides yengi ab plus or cm lejare into my height kai tare si sida d nang matom jalage ad hare half ab plus ocm ni ab ki distance di kya tare 7 minus 5 is 2 plus oc di kya no where is oc sidi 10 tare into ad have ni where is ad this is height sini which is kya 50 half into 12 into 15 have ni 6 tareng kalo 300 keno tara ni units tare area gi oina di sigi area sina kari pi no hai tar gadi amagi displacement or total distance p doini which is in terms of meter koi keno da lo hot kyoni na SI unit sumaina area da isu hot pe yai last oina question amagi yingsiango sidari je A particle starts with an initial velocity 2 meters per second along the positive x direction and it accelerates uniformly at the rate cb. Find the distance traveled by it in first 2 seconds, then how much time distance time then distance to cover in reaching velocity makan mayam haire walakpagi matung ina question je yengse given the PDC velocity initial velocity u 2.5 meter per second later, then acceleration the 0.50 meter per second square find the distance traveled by it in the first 2 seconds. Time period magida 2 seconds ana mongon man puthor haisina kaino x or s my distance can travel to gamni in 2 seconds ida itho thamge se v equal to u plus atm later ahambagi ani subagi x equal to ut plus half at squared subagi dana v square minus u square equal to twice a x distance budok indina distance yawa equation ani khaktani siga saisida akoi later si final or final velocity is koi khangde aduna sinadurisi ani suba equation sine x sine budok u khange time khange a khange aduna khangdabam khatang yawbunina sinjansi using x equal to ut plus half at square kamain tawre x equal to u gi motor 2.5 times 2 seconds plus half a di kano 0.50 ni times kano 2 square maybe gets minor 2.5 ani di 5 tarani then okay 2.5 ani pun target ya koi 5 tarani then 6 the 1 by 2 ki type ne lai se 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 so 1 by 2 ni 1 by 2 ni si mathak ta lai sina kya no 4 ni kathana matam da 1 khak ta hawre which gives 6 meters in a phangya or kaino yam sum ni ninga kana koi 6.0 meter na iba yai mana sida sida ma bi significant figure chum ning tar kana then b the how much time does it take to reach the velocity of 7.5 meter per second see yarong no one of the matam gam sangi haveni avidi man bir misi in a final velocity da 7.5 meter per second yong no hona bada ke have a time kyam sangi ba mohang isina objecti karam basina yarni time khangde acceleration khange u khange v khange aduna ahambagi khoi live sina bi are we have v equal to u plus at v di kya no 7.5 then u di kya no u koi 2.5 plus 80 avdi a ne kya no 0.5 ni a na time laser times ne bukuna english kya da again and then 7.5 minus 2.5 divided by 0.5 la ni time hai tar gadi si mathak is di kya da hai 5.0 divided by 0.5 equal to time. Therefore time is 10 second. Next question, how much distance will cover in reaching velocity c 7.5? v sina 7.5 oirapa matamda distance kya oigani sine khara disala mani dana speed se zum hengalakini kya piram initial 2.5 tagi sum hengalakpaduna 7.5 yorpada matam kyam sangi 10 seconds sangi na puthokre. Next puthoi sina magi distance to the kyam sangi sine sei sidana lemhoriba formula amadu sinaragi yengsi x equal to ut plus half ad squared. Sigi question si nagramane sin hogdabdu v square minus u square equal to twice ax in x yaubse. Sigi question hotpagi maramdi ina noida si ahumak sinabamu warning by dar adugini again see v is 7.5 squared minus 2.5 squared equal to twice a motor 0.5 x nep. See sidina akoi nang haizabi mong da sadwazu ani je tinjala ani je khaidoknaraga id a square minus b square की formula a plus b a minus b पान गया है ब्रा direct into तव गया है ब्रा तव निम्बा तव भी आ रहा है x से कहीं नोई तारगदी 7.5 square minus 2.5 square divided by cd this is 1 by 2 का मान दो इना 1 ने ले जादो इसे सिगिसे तौर मतुंगदा कई तारकनी येंग द्रसो अदुम इरागे से तारकुइसी 50 मीटर नो युमदा मु हॉटपदा अदुम येंगजारो और कइनो चुमनी गायगना 15.0 मीटर तारनी लाइबनी अदुम हाइफेतंग खल्लगा करम पिरमी खल्लगा कई सिनगनी हौजिक सिनैजिदा स्पेसिफिकली सी कहीं से सिनागदम सी हॉटपद हाइब लेते नंगोंदा नुंगाइगदब हॉटपद नुंगाइगदब चानाबा मयामदो येंगागा तुगदबदो येंगागा अदुम सिनाउ